You get a fantastic performance that's better for your bills thanks to the A energy rating of this electric cooker from Beko. Complete Clean combines grease-catching catalytic liners and steam cleaning to both scorch grease and debris and soften stubborn dirt. Easily keep the cavity spotless and spend more time on what matters. With the fully programmable LED display, you can start cooking at a time that works best for you. Simply preset the time and perfectly plan your meal in advance. Ideal for helping busy parents get on top of hectic dinner times. The large capacity gives you plenty of space with a 69-litre fan oven and a 36-litre conventional oven, so you can enjoy the flexibility to cook large meals effortlessly. Great for when you have family and friends over. Whether you're cooking a Sunday roast or something simpler for a weekday evening, this electric cooker has everything you need to bake, boil, cook and fry.